Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Abby, and if you are new, thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate you. If you read the title, then you already know I'm going to be attempting some feed-in braids on myself. In this video, I'm not even going to waste time, so we're gonna jump right into it. And let's see if I succeed or fail at this feed-in braids. Pray for a sister. Pray for a sister. So I already blow dried my hair and I just put it into twists, flat twist it out. I'm gonna take those out, and then once I take it out, I am going to part my hair down the middle, straight down. We're gonna be doing 8 sections in total. Okay, so my hair is parted down the middle. And then I tied one side off, and now we're gonna part this side, the one half and half again. Okay, that would do. I got time. So I'm gonna twist this side away. And then I'm gonna take one of the halves of the ones that I just parted, and I'm gonna part that in two and do 2 here as well. Then we will repeat on the same side. Hi guys, so I am back. I am done parting my hair. I know I look crazy right now, but the hard part is over. The hair that I'm going to be using is from Feed-In. This is the color 1. They're 28-inch one, and this comes in 3 bundles. So I'm gonna section 8 parts. I'm gonna start them small and then get them like bigger. So start like that and then make them bigger as I go. I am going to be using Cream of Nature's Edge Control to do it, and then also the Less Jam Condition and Shine Extra Hold to do the hair. Then we're just gonna focus on this part. I'm gonna unravel this part right here, then comb it out so it's thoroughly detangled. First gonna go in with some jam. Also, we're going to leave out the edges. You know, we will not be braiding the edges. So do this so I can slick it down and then use some edge control. So gonna pre-section 4 parts. By doing this, this kind of gives you the stitch braids effect. Yeah, so that's good enough. I start with my left hand and I put it over my head this way. And we're gonna take that first section that I pre-sectioned off, and then we will separate that hair into 3. And we're gonna braid that section 1 or 2 times, and then take the first hair and we're gonna place it under my pointer finger and my thumb. And every time I switch back to the other hand, we're gonna use the right hand. So you braid like 2 or 3 times once it goes in.
So you just continue adding the parts in as you go, making them bigger. And like I said, once I get to my pointer finger and my thumb, the one that's laying over my head, that's what I use to place the hair in. It just makes it that much easier to be able to feed in the braid. And excuse my voice, I'm actually sick right now.
So it seems as I only ended up using 7 instead of 8, and then we're just gonna braid the hair down. I also have this jam for when like I'm getting towards the ends of my hair. to use it in there so that the hair stays slick down. Comb it out to make sure it's thoroughly detangled.
So just like the first braid, I'm gonna go in with the gel, making sure that I've slicked it down. And then we are going to take out the edges because again, we're trying to grow it out. We don't want to, you know, mess with it. Then we're gonna pre-section 4 or 5 parts. It really does help the braiding process to make it so much easier to just go down your hair instead of having to like stop and use your fingers to part the hair as you go. Once you're done with all your parts, you're going to start with the first 3 sections, and then you're going to braid that 2 or 3 times. I think this one I braided maybe 4 or 5 times before I inserted one of the sections, starting it small, again placing it between my index finger and my thumb, and then braiding it about 2 times and then going in with another section. And then I'm just going to continue doing that throughout the entire braid.
So I finished 1/2 of it. Honestly, it's not too bad considering this is my first time ever attempting cornrows on myself. I ain't doing too bad. I ain't doing too bad. It's gonna do what it got to do. It's serving the job that it needs to serve for the next 3 weeks. We move. Yeah. So guys, I am done braiding my hair. I have to go dip the ends of my hair in water. But yeah, this is it. As a first attempt at Feed-In Braids on myself, I don't think I did too bad. Gonna scarf my edges down and then dip my ends. I'm gonna go look for my needle and thread so that I can thread, like, sew the back right here so that it lays flat down, but I can't find it right now. So once I find it, I will do that so that my hair lays flat, you know. This is it. This is gonna be my hairstyle for the next 3 weeks, you know. Cute little style. Hair is protected, ends are tucked. So I am gonna go ahead and apologize. I was supposed to sign off and I never did. And then it's been some busy 2-3 weeks. So I never got to show you guys fully the hair. And now my hair is like looking messed up and whatnot. But this is my hair 2.5 weeks in. I'm actually about to take it out soon, but show you guys.
yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video or this attempt of me trying to do these braids. Now that I kind of got the hang of it, of how it works, maybe I might do like a more better tutorial on how to do these braids on yourself or do it for someone else. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell so that you will be notified the next time I upload. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.